students. Today I am going to explain about industries. In my first lecture, I explained about different kinds of crops, agriculture. Okay. Today I am going to explain about industries. Okay, standard 7 ss and chapter 5, and today it is the second lecture. Got it? We have already learned about different crops, okay, and how they are useful. Now today about industries. Now there are three types of industries. Number one is cottage. Number two, small scale. Small scale is bigger than cottage industry, and heavy industry is bigger than small scale industry. So cottage, small scale, and last one is heavy industry. Got it? Now what is called cottage industry? Cottage means in a small way. Okay, we can start this industry in our own house. Okay, where investment is low, very low. Okay, બહુ ઓછા પૈસાથી આ ધંધો થઈ શકે, બિઝનેસ. ઓકે, સો નંબર 1 is cottage industry. Okay, there we do not want much money. Okay, with low, very less money investment, we can start this business. Like we can have making papad, or maybe making a incense cake, or maybe a pickle, like that. Those who are watching the serial Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, you know Madhvi Bhabhi. Okay, what she makes papad and achar, pickle at home. That is called pickle. That is making pickle and papad. That is called cottage industry. Okay, there electricity is no needed. Okay, may be needed, may not be needed. Less worker, as well as very low investment in a cottage industry. So what is the first one? Cottage industry. Investment is very low, and which kind of thing comes? Like papad, pickle, incense stick, agarbatti. Okay, this thing comes under cottage industry. After cottage industry, we have small scale industry. Small scale industry is bigger than cottage industry. There we need some machineries and some workers. Little bit electricity is also needed. Okay, got it? So the business, the things comes under it is making TV, refrigerator. That comes under small scale industry. Okay, in a cottage industry, papad, pickle, incense stick. In a small scale, we have TV, making TV, refrigerator. Third part is heavy industry. That is the biggest one. Cottage, small scale, and the last one is heavy industry. My dear student, heavy industry means big industry. There are large number of members, large number of workers are there. Plenty of machineries are needed. There we can make just like a motor car, or maybe a cement industry. That comes under this. So cottage industry, small scale. Last one is heavy industry. In heavy industry, we need big machinery as well as large number of workers. And what comes under it? Cement industry, iron and steel industry, even making motor car. That comes under heavy industry. Got it? So how many types of industries are there? There are 3 types of industries. Which are they? Cottage industry, small scale industry, and heavy industry. Okay, what comes under cottage industry? Making papad, pickle, okay, incense stick. That comes under cottage industry. What comes under small scale industry? TV and refrigerator. And last one is about heavy industry. What comes there? So there you will find iron and steel, motor car. This thing comes under heavy industry. Got it? My dear student, here I have written some things here, other industries. Okay, number 1 is cotton industry. What is cotton industry? My dear student, for cotton industry, what is we need? Cotton is necessary. Kapas. Okay, we are wearing clothes made of cotton, na? So what is the main thing needed? Cotton, kapas is needed, and from that cotton we can get a cotton cloth. Okay, now the main center in Gujarat is Ahmedabad and Surat. So where we have cotton industries. Okay, the cotton cloth industries are developed at Ahmedabad, Surat, Mumbai, and Coimbatore. Nowadays, during the marriage function or some other function, you visit Ahmedabad and Surat for what? To buy new saris. Okay, why? Because it's one of the main center, of cotton cloth industry. Which are they? Ahmedabad, Surat, Mumbai, Coimbatore. These are the major centers for cotton cloth industries. Got it? Next one, woolen industry. Woolen means a sweater. Woolen means it comes from wool. Wool means wool. Okay, from the we get we can get wool from either maybe a goat. Okay, my dear student, if you visit in a Kashmir side, okay, pashmino is there, na? Pashmino. Okay, pashmino sheep. Okay, so woolen industry, from that woolen clothes are made, and Ludhiana is the main center. Punjab. So which state, in which state woolen industries are developed? So woolen industries are developed in Punjab, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. Punjab, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. And my dear student, Ludhiana is the main center of woolen industry. Which one? Which one? Correct. Okay, Ludhiana, that is in Punjab. Next one is sugar industry. My dear student, in a sugar industry, what is needed? Okay, just to develop sugar industry, what we need? Sugar cane. Sugar cane. Okay, from the juice of sugar cane, we can get sugar and jaggery. Okay, here one village is there near Petla side. Okay, Paraj. Earlier there was a sugar factory, but nowadays it is closed. Okay, because of the shortage of sugar cane. Normally, where sugar industries are developed, around area you will find plenty of sugar cane. Okay, normally what happens, where sugar cane is grown, nearby these industries are developed. Okay, sugar industries. Okay, so what is needed? Sugar cane. Okay, from the juice of sugar cane we can get sugar as well as jaggery. Where it is developing? Sugar industry is developing at Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. Last year in standard 6, chapter number 5, we learned, okay, which are the major places, centers where we have sugar industries. Now here, next one is cement industry. Cement industry is the part of a heavy industry. Okay, what is needed? Limestone is needed. In order to make cement, limestone is needed. Under Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka are the major states developing cement industry. Okay. Next one is paper industry. Paper industry. My dear student, nowadays paper is an important thing. Okay, every day we are reading newspaper. Okay, we have a money note, currency note. So these are the different papers. The paper of currency and newspaper are totally different. Okay, so different types of papers are there. The paper which is used for newspaper, the paper which is used to print newspaper, that paper is made in Nepal Nagar here. Now see remember N. Okay, the paper of newspaper made in Nepal Nagar, that is in Madhya Pradesh, while the currency note paper, that is in Hosangabad and Devas. Okay, currency paper. Now you have 5 rupees note, 10 rupees, 100 rupees, okay, 2000 rupees. That paper, currency paper, okay, that paper is made in Hosangabad and Devas. Got it? So different kind of papers are there. So paper industries. We can it is one of the important industry we can say. Next one is iron and steel industry. That is also the part of heavy industry. My dear student, Jamsetji Tata. Jamsetji Tata is called the father of iron and steel industry. Jamsetji Tata. Nowadays, where this industry is developed, iron and steel industries is developed in Bhilai, means the Madhya Pradesh, Bokaro in Bihar, Bhadravati in Karnataka. Okay, so iron and steel. Nowadays, iron and steel is used everywhere. Okay, from minor thing to bigger thing, we need iron or maybe steel. So this industry is developed in MP, means Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, and Jamsetji Tata is called the father of iron and steel industry. After that, jute industry. But nowadays, this jute, the use of jute has gone in. Use of jute is gone down. Very few places you will find jute bags. Nowadays, fabric things are there. Artificial fabrics are used to make a buni. Okay, that's why I have written what here buni bags. Buni bags, jute clothes. My dear student, sometimes you will find cheaper shawl. Okay, that it normally the traders, the people, they say it is made from pashmina wool, but sometimes instead of wool they make some woolen warm clothes made from jute also. Okay, so jute clothes are made, gunny bags are there, and jute bags are there. But nowadays these are in very less use, and the main center is in West Bengal. West Bengal side you will find plenty of jute. Okay, so here different industries are there, and the most important is petrochemical industry. Petrochemical. Nowadays, by digging, okay, by drilling the land, okay, we are taking out the mineral, okay, and we send this mineral to purify, and after that we are getting different kinds of forms like a petrol, diesel, ethane, okay, like these different things we are getting. And the last one that is remaining, that is called dhamma, okay, that we use to make roads. Okay, so where we get from the where we get this mineral? From the interior of the earth. Okay, it is taken from the interior of the earth. My dear student, when this mineral is taken, it is sent to different places for the purification. Okay, and my dear student, here in Baroda near Koili, one place is there Koili, you will find the refinery, oil purified refinery. Okay, so Vadodara, Jamnagar, Mumbai, Chennai, we have the industries, purification in the some industries are there that purifies the mineral oil. Second thing, dyeing and petrochemical. Okay, so here what is needed? Soda ash and petrochemical is needed for the pharmaceutical. For just for the dyeing and pharmaceutical industry, we need soda ash and petrochemical. Nowadays we are using fertilizer, chemical fertilizer. That chemical fertilizer industries is developed in Kandla, Kalol, okay, Vadodara, Bharuch also, Sindri, Mumbai, Durgapur. Okay, and here you will find industries like chemical fertilizer industries. Got it? So today we have learned about different types of industries. We have already learned about crops. This time we have learned about industries. Next time we will learn about transportation. You have to copy down these things in your notebook. Thank you.